Hello everybody, welcome back to Musicipher Lessons, where we decipher patterns in music theory, music instruments, and music software. And today we are going to be working on the song Lava and playing it on the ukulele because it's a super easy song to play. So the first thing we're going to do when we learn how to play a song and how I teach my students is to kind of separate out your vocals from your playing first. So the first thing we're going to learn are the chords. And we're just going to take it one little step at a time. And the time signature of this is 4/4. And if you don't know what that means, all you're thinking is in groups of 4. So to start, I'm going to push the C chord. Next chord is G7. And we also have an F chord. All right, so we're going to do C. We're going to practice the chords. So we're going to do C, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll do G7 for 2 sets of 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to F for 2 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C for 1 set of 4. 1, 2, 3. You can tap your foot, and then G7, 2, 3, 4, and another. Okay, we're gonna do it again. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G7, 2, 3, 4. G7, 2, 3, 4. Then F, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, 3, 4. Then we just do 1 set of C, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 sets of G7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then back to the beginning, 2 sets of C, 2, 3, 4. And if you want, you can do 2 sets of G, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2 sets of F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 set of C, C. Then 2 sets of G7. And now we're going to the chorus. The chorus is a little bit different. We're going to start on the F chord. And we're going to do 2 sets of F and then 2 sets of C. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do 2 sets of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 2 sets of G7. You should be able to sort of mentally hear it in your mind. 1, 2 sets of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 sets of F. Again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 sets of C. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Then at the ending, we're going to do 1 set of F, 1 set of G7, and then 2 sets of C. Okay. For the last set of C. Okay, so that's what we have. That's what our chord progression is. So we're going to practice the chords 2 times through. Now we're going to do it faster now that we've got it. So C for 2. G for 2 sets of 4. F for 2 sets of 4. And then C for 1 set of 4. And G7, 2 sets of 4. Back to C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G7, 2, 3, 4. G7. To F, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C for 1. Then G7 for 2. G7, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, G7, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, 4, F, F, C, C, G7, G7, C, C, F, good work, F, to C, C, then F, G7 to C. I just sometimes end. Okay, all right. I'm gonna take that same rhythm. I'm just gonna tap here. 1, 2, 3, 4. A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4. He sat high above his bay, watching all the couples play. 1, 2, and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lava came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. Here's the chorus. I have a dream, I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, sea, and the sky up above will give me someone to love. Okay, so normally I would have you sing that through a couple times, but now we can try to put it together. So if you want to, you can strum the chord once. A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. And just have the word line up with the next chord change. That's how I would recommend starting. But if you want to just sing along to me, I'm going to do a strumming pattern of plucking the C string. And then I'm going to go down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I might not be perfect the whole way. So we're just going to try singing the whole thing all the way through with that strumming pattern. But again, you can just strum once at the beginning of each 4 count. Okay. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bay, watching all the couples play, and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lava came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream, I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, sea, and the sky up above will give me someone to love. All right, so that's how you can at home learn how to play a song as simple as lava. And practicing music, an actual song that already exists, doing cover songs, is such a great tool for getting better at playing music and getting better at writing your own songs too. So if you're someone who likes to write, you can like take the structure of something like this and learn from it. And I think it's a really great song for only 3 chords. I love the melody. I think it's beautiful. But anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please like it and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please message me. And I will see you on the next video.